Okay, I know I just did a video just a second ago, but I want to show you this little boy. He keep getting on my nerve because he wants attention. Come here. Come here. Come meet everybody. Come here. Come. So this is Papa Perche, and he wants attention because whatever reason he pretends he want to go to the bathroom, but he just want to bother his arm. I don't understand it. Look, Papa, look at the camera. No, stop it. Look at the camera. No, not me. Look at the camera. Say hi. Look. Yes. Hi, Jojo Kim. Hi, Jojo Kim. Good boy. That's Papa, and his mother didn't wash him, and he smells like a bag of farts. So, I don't know what he's doing to me. He's just licking my leg. He's fresh. Yeah. So I just wanted to put that up because I thought it was so cute, right? Right, Papa Bear. Yeah, look what he's doing. Yeah. Come on, bite. Yeah. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Say hi, Social Kim. Look. Hi, Social Kim. No, not my face. Not in my face. You see how he is? Look. Thank you. Okay, guys, you seen enough of my face today. So look, Papa, say bye. Bye. Look. Bye. Look at the camera. Look at you. You look hairy on camera. Bye. Look. Whatever. You need a bath. Bye.